Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing an easy snowstorm paint. Face paint, sorry. What did I say? Okay, let's just get on the roll with this. So basically you'll need a brush and a sponge and stuff. But if you don't have like all of this stuff, that's okay too. Just use what you have. So yeah. By the way, Odin's not going to be in this video, so let's just get started.
Although this is
Our channel.
this is mostly my channel.
Our channel.
Yes, it's ours, but mostly.
Fine, you own like 52%, I own like 48%. Okay, so.
Yeah, you own 48%. I own 52. Cause this is on my camera recording thingy-mabobber.
AKA iPad. Okay,
AKA.
sure. So let's just get started.
I didn't want
If
to
you
go
have
back.
bags like I do, you're gonna need to push them back. And if you want to do what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go like that.
What? Instead of doing that, later on, when you're ready, you get your computer set up.
Good. It's gonna be a little later.
So you're just gonna go around like that. I'm using white right now. So
Soon we're gonna be on the computer.
awesome.
Well,
Okay.
it'll be a little later.
Okay, now then you're gonna grab some glue and go over.
Did you eat your breakfast, baby? Oh, make sure you fill up on something there.
Just keep grabbing the glue and going around it down in random areas. It doesn't have to be like the most even because snowstorms aren't even, right? So yeah, after that, I'm using sparkly stuff. So I'm gonna use a sparkly glue to go around that, and then afterwards, once it dries a little bit, you're gonna do some snowflakes. So that's what it looks like right now, but it's not gonna look like that for very long. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab some glue. Go around and add some like highlight, if you know what I mean. So yeah. Blue, light blue, sparkly, and dark blue, sparkly eyeshadows. Yeah, this is not gonna look even, but it's gonna work, I hope. So yeah. It's probably gonna be fail because there's stuff, right? Okay. Next we do this. Now, I'm gonna grab the blue again. Get it with water. Grab the blue. Stroke it down like this. Now, you don't have to do the exact same as me. I'm just giving you an idea of what you should do. Now you can have it spreading down there. Just have it going around, yeah. And then technically do what I've been telling you to do. Brush off your brush. I'm gonna grab some white and mix it with the blue. And then see how this goes. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, then push off. So now you can see this is like the outline before I add snowflakes and stuff. Now, I'm going to add some sparkles. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to add some white stuff. White sparkly stuff. Yeah. Like that. And then just yeah, that it's just like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab some blue. Like as you can see right here, we're grabbing the light blue right here. The light blue palette. Out of all these colorful palettes, I got this for Christmas 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna rub around on it. Yeah, it's gonna look nicer when you're finished. I hope. I mean, I like it. Okay, so now if you have eyeshadow and stuff to do that, then you should look nice and sparkly. Now I'm gonna add some more blue going on like this. So this one will go up a bit higher. Go back down. I'll do this. Just gonna go back. There we go. So as you can see, it's just like you're gonna do strokes down, and it should look pretty good. Then you're gonna go and redo your paints because mine's sort of starting to run out. And just gonna go down the little strokes like this. Don't necessarily have to if you don't really want to, but I suggest it. Okay, there you go. And yeah. So now we're gonna add our last little bit of glitter. Okay, I should say a little bit because this is gonna be a lot. Now I'm taking it to the next level, so if you're not ready, go back in the video. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Yeah, I look cool. Okay. So now you should be overly sparkly. You should have a mask or something like this. You can do the other side too, but I'm not. Because I think it looks cool on just the one side. Okay, so now you're going to grab just plain white. Okay, let's just do it plain white. Oh shit. Okay, I'll be 1 second. How is it when you're prepared for a video? You have I just don't think was the paper towel roll? Surprised at how they can barely see you. Oh, okay, sorry. Small intermission, but I'm back. Okay, so I just needed to grab some paper towel because I was not ready for starting to show yet. Thank you. Boop. Okay, just gonna do that now. I need it to form like that.
You're not eating either?
I'm not really that hungry. Sorry. Gotta make sure everything's out of the brush before you start using it again. And your brush should look like the original color it was before. So you're gonna wet it. And you're gonna wash off all the white. If you did what I did and mixed the white and blue together, then you're gonna wash off all the white that gets on there. And yeah. No. I mean all the blue, sorry. Okay, now I guess we should do some snowflakes or else there's kind of no point in this video. So I'm gonna grab some water, dab it on. Get some of the white. Oh no, no! Oh god.
Cats are not supposed to eat cheese or eggs. Okay, okay, look at this. Get off the table. Get off the table. Feel.
Start.
Let's take those two. Why did I take mine?
So yeah, just do snowflakes. Maybe get a bit more white to make it a bit more noticeable. Whoop. Okay. There we go. Redo this one. Okay. No. If you really want it to be detailed, do like one more snowflake, but I'm not going to go on with that. You're just going to dot like little snowflakes. Okay. So just do little dots. Make sure you can see those dots. If you are really particular like I am, you can do a few off of the snowstorm wind. Okay. And yeah, a few lines of color there. Sorry, I'm like right in front of the sink doing this, so I'm gonna lock you guys. Sorry, okay. Let's just do this one last time. Okay, I'm gonna get some glue. I'm gonna do a few more strokes down here. Ophelia, stop eating those eggs. Do you want to see some of my leftover breakfast? It's up to Cat trying to eat it. And I might have just snapped my brush, but I didn't. I'll be right back. Okay. Sort of sounded like that. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, I'm gonna add a few more of those strokes. But if you're not particular, you probably won't. Yeah. And yeah, that's the snowstorm, the Easy Snowstorm designed by Ella. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if it didn't work out as well, I'm not the best explainer when it comes to tutorials, but if it helped you out, please leave a like, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.